everyone. Today we're going to update you on the Board of Veterans' Appeals hearing backlog. We'll start by breaking down statistics from fiscal year 2023 and the first few months of fiscal year 2024. After that, we'll share our thoughts here at CCK about the trends and the big picture. And before we get started, we want to note that fiscal year 2023 begins October 1st, 2022 and ends September 30th, 2023. And fiscal year 2024 begins on October 1st, 2023.
So for fiscal year 2023, BVA reports holding 19,437 BVA hearings. Of those, 82% had a resolution rate, 12% had a postponement rate, and 6% had a no-show rate. The vast majority of hearings held in fiscal year 2023 were virtual, with only 159 being held by Travel Board and 7 being held at the central office.
In fiscal year 2024, between October 1st, 2023 and January 12th, 2024, BVA has held 3,589 hearings. As of January 16th, 2024, 8,134 AMA hearings have been scheduled and 64,926 AMA hearings are unscheduled. In terms of legacy hearings, 612 hearings have been scheduled and there are 457 hearings unscheduled. All in all, there are a total of 74,129 hearing cases pending. BVA issued a record of 103,245 decisions in fiscal year 2023.
And that's the raw data. Now, let's talk about some things that jumped out to us at CCK. And remember, if you find this discussion valuable, please like this video so other veterans can find it. So first, in fiscal year 2023, it was the first year in which more AMA hearings were conducted than legacy hearings, meaning that more recent claims filed after 2019 are finally being heard. But since 2019, BVA reports that 93,000 hearings have been held, and about 81,000 of those are legacy hearings.
And as of December 31st, 2023, there were about 1,100 pending legacy hearing requests, which is down about 84% from the start of fiscal year 2023. So the backlog of legacy hearings has been looming for years, so this suggests progress.
Another data point we noticed was the number of virtual hearings. 80% of hearings have been held virtually in fiscal year 2024. Also, a declining number of veterans are choosing the AMA hearing lane, with rates dropping from 47% of claims in fiscal year 2021 to 35% in fiscal year 2023. Have you had a virtual hearing? Feel free to let others know your thoughts in the comments below. Remember not to reveal any private information.
So our next observation was VA's claim that AMA is continuing to improve the appeals process, but the overall numbers are still being held back by legacy cases. According to VA, there are about 20% fewer remands under AMA and 8 to 10% higher grants. Remanded legacy cases result in long wait times for other cases.
More broadly, VA's legacy drawdown plan proposes that there is the potential for less than 3,000 original appeals pending at the board as of fiscal year 2024. As of December 31st, 2023, there are roughly 53,000 legacy appeals still pending, and of these, about 78% are remanded appeals.
Remands appear to be a contributing factor to the BVA's backlog. More than half of pending remanded appeals have been remanded 2 or more times. Over a quarter have been remanded 3 or more times. 15% have been remanded 4 or more times, and 8% have been remanded 5 or more times. Further, this report also indicates that roughly between 11 and 13% of BVA's caseload is returned cases by the court, often with no changes in outcome. Between 17 and 24% of BVA's caseload is re-adjudicated appeals back from BVA.
So one last insight from CCK. 26 to 29% of the caseload is expedited appeals, advanced for serious illness, severe financial hardship, or age. So that's a significant percentage. That means VA is focusing on these claims as they should, But the problem with that is it's making non-expedited claims take a lot longer. So we'll report more as we learn more.
And that's all for this update. Please be sure to like this video and please subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. Take care.